I like to do experiments, but I really like Legos. Wagwan Star! This is for Mama, and my Grandma Terrio. These are just two of my things that I made today. A robot horse with a utility tail. And my own dinosaur. The dinosaur is pretty realistic. It has nothing on it at all. Not even a utility tail. I named this one the Velociraptor. I named this one LS3. Let me show you how to make my favorite type of plane. We get the Antonov 225. These are the blue pieces. And it's not 225 is cargo plane. And Mommy challenged me to make it, and here I am. The Antonov is so large it could hold the smaller aircraft.
Wow.
I can make it short.
Looks good. Tell me about it.
Okay, so there's a bath pool on top, and then there's two propellers, and there's a place where the driver can sit. The nose of the plane opens. The back has a little container storage. And sometimes utility vehicles are loaded from the back. And there you have it.